If you're in the industrial sector and need top-notch machinery, you need Kalsi Industries. Since 1975, Kalsi Industries has been the backbone of Indian industry, providing cutting-edge machinery that powers progress. From biomass pellet machines to rotary dryers, our solutions enhance efficiency and sustainability across various sectors. But we don't stop there. Our heavy-duty sawdust machines, biomass shredders and cattle feed machines are engineered for excellence, ensuring peak performance and durability. We're committed to precision engineering and customer satisfaction, delivering tailored solutions that drive success. At Kalsi Industries, innovation is in our DNA. We understand your needs and work closely to provide machinery that meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. Join us in shaping the future of industry. Visit KalsiIndustriesFire.com or call us at 92162000773 to discover how we can elevate your operations. Kalsi Industries, your partner in industrial innovation.